Kasey Logan, yes, haha.
Workshop!
Hello, welcome back to Kasey's Story Corner. I'm Kasey Logan, your host. As promised, I'm going to start doing little walkthroughs, very short walkthroughs of some of the stories that I read and how I approach doing the voices and creating the characters, okay? So, Piranhas Don't Eat Bananas. This is a very, very special story to me. It's probably one of the first ones that I really started leaning into doing voices and different characters in the book. So, on opening it up, the first guy I saw was this guy, quite grumpy and very angry at the world, and he started having a very, very deep voice in my brain, in my head. And when I opened my mouth, "What's wrong with you, Brian? You're a piranha." For some reason, that depth just made it British and a bit rough, all right? I'm going to rough you up. "What's wrong with you, Brian? You're a piranha." And this guy had to contrast. So I wanted him to be a bit higher and a little bit more lovable, I guess. And for some reason, he just sounds like he has a mouthful of chewy. "Hey there, guys. Would you like a banana?" "What's wrong with you, Brian? You're a piranha." And that really, really contrasted the two voices. And it's just them all the way through the book. I had since considered to do him a little bit like Marlon Brando, but I don't know if that would work. "What's wrong with you, Brian? You're a piranha." "Are you serious, Brian? We eat feet." But I haven't decided what to do about his voice, and I don't know when the kids wouldn't get that. But so that's just a very, very quick idea of how I approach voices. When you do a voice for a book, lean into it. Really, really enjoy it. Give yourself permission to have fun. You're allowed to have fun when you read a book. All right? That's the last thing I'll say about Piranhas Don't Eat Bananas for a while. If you want to give me some suggestions or if you have questions, please put it in the comments and I'll try and answer as many as I can. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Kasey Logan! Yes! Ha ha!